Join us for our daily financial news briefing, where we'll be discussing the biggest stories and providing expert analysis on what they mean for you.
US stock futures rise ahead of Federal Reserve meeting. Big tech earnings. US stock index futures rose Monday, starting a new week that includes a Federal Reserve meeting, as well as more crucial earnings on a positive note. Dow Jones futures rose 175 points, or 0.4%. S&P 500 futures climbed 25 points, or 0.5%, and Nasdaq 100 futures gained 110 points, or 0.6%. Microsoft's costs in focus as fears rise over slow payoff from AI. Microsoft investors will have one big question when the tech giant reports earnings on Tuesday. Has growth in its Azure cloud computing business picked up enough to justify the billions of dollars being spent on artificial intelligence infrastructure? Bitcoin price rises to over $69K after Trump touts friendlier regulation. Bitcoin price rose on Monday, extending gains from over the weekend after Republican presidential nominee Donald Trump raised the prospect of friendlier regulation during an address at the Bitcoin convention. Oil prices stabilize after Golan Heights attack. Oil prices were stable on Monday as fears of a widening conflict in the Middle East after a rocket strike in the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights put a floor under last week's price losses. Brent crude futures gained 7 cents, or 0.09%. Yen holds steady ahead of BOJ and Fed policy decisions. The yen held steady on Monday, with sentiment still fragile following the Japanese currency's best weekly rally since late April, on the back of shifting interest rate expectations and a stock market sell-off.